All right, one of my favorite objections is I can get the same thing / same content using my iPhone, hiring my cousin, having my dog film it. I can get the same content doing that. What do you say in that situation? So first thing we want to do here is clarify. Do you know exactly what they mean when they say same content? Most of the time, this objection is triggered by us not building a big enough gap in the discovery portion of the call, and then that's leading them to think that there's not a big enough problem and that they can solve this on their own without hiring a professional. It's kind of like if you went to the doctor and they didn't properly diagnose you and then led you to think that you could just go through some diet and exercise to solve a problem that you really need medication for. It usually means you didn't dig deep enough in the checklist portion of your call. At this point, they're trying to get rid of you, so we need to find a way to disarm them and get them back into the conversation. Now, what you would say here is, well, I guess you could, and transparently, I'm not even sure if we can quite help you yet. I'd need to understand more about what you're looking for specifically when it comes to content for your business. Because you may be better off just hiring your cousin to do it, or using your phone, or having your dog film this. Now, what kind of content are you looking for specifically? Are you looking for content that looks like it was filmed on a phone or by your cousin? Or are you looking for more of a polished look that's gonna help bring in more customers and not portray your brand as kind of an amateur brand? Prospect says, well, obviously, we want more professional looking content. So now I've gotten them into results-based thinking as opposed to cost-based thinking. And then I can also go back into my discovery portion questions or my checklist questions and dive deeper into the problem, re-earth that problem, and expand more of a gap of where they are to where they want to be.